हाँ
ना स्क्रिप्टेड नहीं करनी चाहिए वीडियो, जो दिमाग में आ रहा है ना
हाँ
वो बोलो, और जहाँ पे नहीं आ रहा वहां से कट करके आगे वाली काउंट कर देना। एडिट तो
चलो शुरू कर दे without any script आज. Hello internet, welcome back. This is Kikon and you're watching Backbencher Engineering Project. So wait, before that let me check it out. Am I recording or not? Ah yes. So today's video is all about hostel life hack. So I'm gonna cook my 2-minute Maggi noodles from my this water kettle. But the only problem that I'm facing is that it doesn't it has an auto cut inside it. There's a thermostat temperature sensor that will automatically cut it off when it reaches to a certain temperature, and we all know that this 2-minute noodles doesn't get cooked in 2 minutes. वो 2 मिनट की ज़्यादा लेता है, 2 मिनट से ज़्यादा. So that's how मेरा noodles इतना अच्छा से cook नहीं होगा. So I'm gonna do some chirchar in this water kettle. So yeah, I'll show you how to do that. And after doing that, if you remove that temperature sensor, you can cook anything from here. You can cook rice, you can cook chicken, egg, whatever you want. You can do fry, सब्जियां कुछ भी पका सकते हैं इसके अंदर. So the first thing that I need to do is unscrew the screws that are at the bottom of this kettle. I have to carefully open it first. Come on. तो ये है उसके अंदर की पूरा wire connections. So when you see over here, this is the thermostat sensor. So what does this actually do is that it acts as a switch which will help the water boiler to get disconnected or switched off when the water starts boiling at a certain temperature. So this is where I'm gonna do the char. I'll disconnect this portion so that I can boil my noodles or whatever it is for a very long period of time. So let me first look at how it works. So yeah, got it. So the other connections of the power input here, it comes right to the thermostat sensor. I'll remove that, and then the other end I'll insert this, connect this to the other end of the coil that is here. Yeah, that's it. Slowly, then plug it in back here, and then this will just stay open. And by the way, this switch wouldn't work for now. I've already made it direct, and then also this thermostat sensor will also not work. So first of all, let me test it, and to be very careful while working out with all this thing. Yeah, do not touch it by your naked hand, and be careful. Oh yes, it's getting warm. That means the connection is all right. I can boil my noodles. So let me put it back. Let me test it. No. See, look at this. There's a leakage of current in my kettle. So I wouldn't recommend you to try this at all, whether at home or in hostel. So just don't try this at all. This is very dangerous. But I'm really hungry, so I need to put my Maggi. Oh, I need to break it first. I have to control this manually by my hand. I need to stir this, but I know that I'm gonna get shocked if I insert my spoon because there's a leakage. Because just see my Maggi noodles. It has a live current in my Maggi noodles. So like, if I insert my spoon, actually this is clean. If I insert my spoon, I'm gonna get shocked. So we have been studying since our school days that metal is a good conductor of electricity, and then come on man, plastic is a very bad conductor of electricity. So that is what I'm gonna apply right now. I'm gonna use this tap. Why my Maggi noodles is not boiling? It should boil. Then I should probably insulate this portion. See? Now this is called backbencher engineering project. See, that's it. Oh man, I'm really hungry. So you can see the boiler has been boiling for around like 4 minutes, I think so. So this is how you access. If you remove the thermostat sensor, this is how you can access it. You can boil it for a longer period of time, but be careful and don't try it. Not that good in cooking noodles. The noodles is finally ready. And yeah, this is my latest project with Node MCU. I built a vibrator to massage my eyes, you know. If you do like a tutorial on this, I can make a video next time. Now go there. Let me enjoy my noodles. Oh, it doesn't look that much good, but yeah, it's good. Good. So let me finish this. Until then, see you next time. Well, he's already asleep, so let's not distract him and let me enjoy my noodles. And if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe, and then see you next time.